Hello viewers, I am U Rajalakshmi, Department of Computer Science, Government Polytechnic for Women, Kadapa, welcoming you to the session Basic Memory Operations. In this session, you will know the basic memory operations and understand the different steps involved in performing those operations. As you know, memory is one of the main components of digital computer system. It is used to store data and programs. It is a collection of storage cells and associated circuits. Each cell can store one bit of information. The cells are organized into groups called words. A word is in multiples of 8, that is 8 bits, 16 bits, etc. Each word can be moved in and out of memory as a unit. Each word in the memory is assigned with a unique number called address for identification purpose. As you see in the diagram, the memory words are addressed from 0 to 7. In total, 8 words. Now coming to basic memory operations, CPU needs to access the memory in order to get the instructions and data to process them. The contents of the memory locations also needed to be altered to store the result. So, the operations that can be performed on the memory to get the instructions or data from memory and to store the result are memory read operation, memory write operation. Memory read operation retrieves previously stored data, that is, it gets instructions or data from memory. Memory write operation stores a new value into the memory. Now the question is, what are the requirements to perform memory read operation? Take a while and think about it. Let us see the requirements. The address of the memory location from which data or instruction is to be retrieved. System bus that contain address, data and control buses as part of it. The address bus carries the address of the specified location from which data is to be retrieved. Data bus carries the data or instruction after reading it from memory. Control bus generates the read signal in order to instruct the memory to place the data onto the data bus from the specified location. Another question is, what are the requirements to perform memory write operation? Here also we require the address of the memory location into which the data is to be stored and the data to be stored onto the memory. System bus that contain address, data and control buses. So, data or instructions transferred between CPU and memory by using address bus, data bus and control buses. In addition to that, 2 CPU registers are required to interface the CPU with main memory. These are memory address register (MAR) and memory data register (MDR). MDR is used to hold the data to be stored or retrieved and MAR hold the address of the specified memory location. Let us see the various steps involved in memory read operation. First step is placing the address of the location to be retrieved onto the address bus. Second step is activating the memory read control signal on the control bus. Wait for the memory to retrieve the data from the specified memory location and to place it onto the data bus. Read the data from the data bus and store it in the MDR. And final step is dropping the memory read control signal to terminate the read cycle. Let us see the steps involved in memory write operation. First step is placing the address onto the address bus. Place the data to be written onto the data bus. Activate the memory write control signal on the control bus. Wait for the memory to store it in the addressed location. And final step is dropping the write control signal to terminate the write cycle. So in this session, you learn the basic memory operations and the different steps involved in basic memory operations. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.